Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Here I just come with the new product, and the product name is Mood Atmosphere Interior Car Lights. So here you can see what we get with this item. So we have one remote over here, then we have car power cigarette adapter, then we have a IR remote controller which is attached with this 4 LED. So you can control this LED with the help of remote. Like you can change the color, you can just turn it on or turn it off. So basically you can just turn it on over here, like with the help of cigarette power adapter. As you can use this remote as well, and you can see here it comes with the 4 LED strip. Okay, and behind you can see it's a 3M adhesive tabs, so you can just take. So basically with this 4 LED, like 2 of them like 6 feet and 2 of them are like 4 feet cable. So now I'll show you like how to set up. If you are using this product in your car, like for the interior designing or something, then you have to use this car power adapter, and you can see over here the power goes into over here, so you have to connect over here. So this end goes into your car cigarette socket. If you want to just turn it on, just press over here, or if you want to just off, just press it again. So it's on off switch, and this is IR, so you can just change with the help of remote. So currently we are just going to review about this product. It's a like demo, so we are not going to install right now. So we are just connecting with the power adapter, like it's a wall power adapter. I will show you later on like how to set up with this your car interior. Now just turn it on, make the switch on. So here you can see we have 24 key remotes. So let's on this LED. Now you can see it's like very bright. This item will like make your car interior very attractive. So basically we have like 4 like RGBW. It's a red, green, blue and white. Then green, then blue, and the last one is white. It's a cool white. Then we have different colors of given over here. Then we have some effects given over here like flash, then strobe, then fade and smooth. So I just select the flash one. Now you can see the LED is flashing. Then we have strobe. Then we have fade. And the last one is smooth. So now if you want to just decrease or increase the brightness of this LED, you can do it with the help of remote. On the top left button, just press and hold this button and it will decrease. For the same way, if you want to increase, just press and hold. If you want to jump on the selected color, you can select from over here. So basically this LED is very useful, and it will very useful for your car interior design. Whenever you drive at night, it will make you comfortable. So if you like our video, then please share and subscribe. Thank you.